Everyone experiences sadness occasionally, and sometimes the best way to cheer someone up is simply to listen and empathize with their feelings. It's essential to create a comfortable space for them to express themselves without interruption, showing genuine interest in their situation. Avoid making them feel like a burden by reassuring them that you're there to help, and engage them with relevant questions to encourage conversation. While relating your own experiences can be supportive, it's crucial to keep the focus on them. Offer advice only if they seek it, using gentle language to suggest options without imposing pressure. Enjoying face-to-face interactions, giving thoughtful gifts, or even sending a handwritten note can also be meaningful gestures that show you care. Ultimately, your presence and willingness to listen can significantly aid their healing journey.